Oh, hi grade 4s. Welcome to our unit on rocks and minerals. To get things started, I actually got this really important email yesterday. Let me read it to you. I gotta find it in my field geology box. Let's take a look. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Oh, some of my rock samples in my books. Look at this cool amethyst sample. Magnifying glass so I can see things. There it is. All right. So this is an email from the Ministry of Northern Development and Mines. Good morning, boys and girls of St. Francis of Assisi Catholic School. I understand that your class is studying all about rocks and minerals. That is a fascinating topic, I must admit. You see, I'm a senior geologist from the Geological Survey of Canada, and we have had a problem over the weekend. I sent an email to your teacher who agreed that this class might be able to assist us. Our computer system crashed on Friday night, and we have lost all our data as well as some very valuable samples. We need your help in determining what rocks and minerals are in your area so that we can start to rebuild our collections and database. Hopefully you will be able to conduct some scientific experiments and assist us. Sincerely, Rhonda Rockington. What do you think, boys and girls? Are you up for this challenge? I think you are. So before we get started, it's time to learn a little bit more. And let's start with what's the difference between a rock and a mineral? I like to think of it like a chocolate chip cookie. The rock is the cookie and minerals are the chocolate chips. Now let's do a little bit of reading to dig deeper.
Rocks are hard materials we find in nature. They're made up of one or more minerals. Gemstones like rubies, emeralds, and diamonds are actually mined from rocks. There are three main types: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Igneous rocks start deep inside the Earth's core in a liquid form called magma. The magma is liquid because the Earth's core is very hot. Magma that cools very slowly inside Earth's crust creates one form of igneous rock, volcanic rock. If the lava cools slowly, it will form a rock with tiny holes and gas bubbles in it. About 1/4 of the rocks found on Earth are classified as igneous. Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock is formed when igneous rocks break down into smaller pieces, like pebbles and sand, and form layers when the pebbles, sand, and pieces of shell pile on top of one another. Fossils are found in this type of rock. Over time, the layers press together and bond, which creates rock. In Kingston, we're known as the Limestone City. Limestone is a type of sedimentary rock. Metamorphic rock. The word metamorphic means change of form, and that is what has happened to these rocks. They start out as either igneous or sedimentary rocks, but over time, extreme heat or pressure causes them to change. The heat often creates ribbon-like layers and crystals, which are sometimes found in this type of rock. A common type of metamorphic rock would be marble, for instance. Minerals. Minerals are categorized based on how hard they are, a scale that compares the hardness of 10 different minerals, each numbered from 1 to 10 is used. The lower the number, the softer the mineral. Talc is the softest, while diamond is the hardest. Each mineral on the scale is able to scratch a mineral with a lower number rating. For example, calcite can scratch gypsum, but gypsum cannot scratch calcite. All solids can be given a hardness rating by comparing them to the minerals on the hardness scale.
All right, now that we've learned about the three types of rocks, igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary, as well as minerals, let's move on to the activities.